Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different because I'm going to make a white sauce pasta, but it's special because I'm not going to use any cheese or flour in that white sauce pasta. But before we start the video, if you are first time to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload the video. So I start with the cauliflower chunks. I have these cauliflower frozen, and I'm just gonna microwave these cauliflower chunks for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to puree them in a blender, and I'm going to make a sauce out of it. So once it's pureed nicely, I'm just gonna pour it into a pan, and then I'm just gonna cook it with milk. If you want, you can use skim milk, or if you want, you can use heavy cream milk also. And then I'm going to add a little bit of butter for taste, because my kids like the buttery taste. Then I'm going to add some garlic salt into it, some regular salt, some chili flakes, red pepper chili flakes, and then I'm going to cook it for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add some pre-boiled pasta. If you guys know that I boil pasta over the weekend and I freeze it, and whenever I need to use, I just thaw it. Then I'm going to add some Italian seasoning and some basil, dried basil on top, and then I'm going to mix it nicely, and I'm going to cover every pasta nicely so that it's nicely mixed. And then I add a little bit more butter for extra flavor. Once you mix it nicely, it's all done, it's ready. It's a really good option for people who don't like cheese or cannot eat cheese for some reason, and it's a very quick way. It gets ready in only 5 minutes. If you have pre-boiled pasta, just make a puree, make a sauce out of it, and your pasta is ready. Your kids are gonna love it. My daughter loved it, and she didn't even realize that it was cauliflower. She just kept me asking, what is it? Like, what did you make sauce out of it? And I just told her, like, you tell me, and she just kept guessing, but she couldn't guess that it was cauliflower, and it was one of her favorite pasta dishes. So please let me know if you try this, and it's worth trying. Please try this, and like, share, and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you soon again with my next video.